Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to give Robux to people in Roblox Mobile. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, to make that happen, your friend needs to create a pass. Okay. You might want to send this video to your friend. So what your friend's going to do is that they'll have to go to their more section right here at the bottom right. Okay. Now go to find a create right here. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, just go ahead and select an experience. Okay. For example, this one right here. Make sure that the experience is public. Okay. Select it. Now click on the three horizontal lines right here at the top left. And go ahead and scroll down and find passes. Okay. And here, just go ahead and scroll down and create a pass. As you can see here, I have a ton of passes right here. Okay. Create a pass. Name the pass. Again, this is for the receiving end. Give me Robux. Add a description if you want to. If not, just leave it blank. Tap on create. Wait for it. Once done, go ahead and tap on the pass itself. Now tap on three horizontal lines. Sales. Item for sale, enable. Add in the price, for example, 150 Robux. Okay. Just do keep in mind that Roblox right here will take 30%. So as the receiver, you'll only get 70, okay, or 70%. Now once that's done, just hit on save changes. It says here pass updated successfully. So again, the receiver, go to your profile. We're just closing this. Profile, view full profile, right here at the bottom. Now go ahead over to creations right here. Now go ahead and find store right here. And this is the one. Give me Robux. Tap on it and we should be able to get this link. So how do we get the link? Just log into any browser. Okay. Maybe Chrome right here. Log into our roblox.com. Tap on continue in browser. Wait for it. Again, go ahead over to your profile. Creations. And here, just gotta select the specific experience. Okay. Tap and hold. Open a new tab. Find the tab. Okay. This one is the tab. Now go to store. Tap on this pass. Now copy the link. Okay. Copy. Now, the receiver should send this link to you. Okay, for you to be able to buy the pass. So when you open up this pass on a browser, okay, for example, this separate browser right here. Okay, open up the link, wait for it to load. Just buy it and the receiver or the person who created this pass will receive the Robux in about 2 or 3 days or even 7 days, okay? They will have to check their Roblox section, for example. This is the receiving end. Open up Roblox. Then go to the Roblox section right here at the top. And in the list, you should be able to see a pending section. Okay. Pending Robux. And that is it. That's how you give Robux to people in Roblox Mobile. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.